Hello, hi, good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel Honey's World. எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம் and swagatham. Today's video is all about my car which I have taken in the year 2018 and it's about 4 years and 8 months by now. Yes, my car is a China made and there is no resale value in the market, but still I love it. And here we go with our car's journey. So that's about my car's journey. If you like my video, do subscribe to our channel, like and share. Thank you for watching.